Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Rainbow Art. You are watching Rainbow Art. Today I am going to draw and cut the face of Einstein. Please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. And this is the drawing. You have to draw it, or you can download this picture from my Facebook page. Just go to my Facebook page and this template picture I will give in there. You can download this picture, and after taking the printout of this picture you have to cut it. For cutting, this is a NT cutter. This cutter is very sharp knife and very helpful for smooth cutting. I bought it from Amazon. You can buy it from Amazon. Just go to my description, link is given there. There are another cutter also, but after using this knife I will just stuck on it. This knife pen is very beautiful or very sharp for cutting this type of smooth paper. You have to cut every portion very carefully, and you have to give more time. You need patience. More you can spend times with cutting paper, your picture or your artwork will be very smooth and very fine. Let's see my cutting, how I am cut all the lines very carefully. You can do it very easily after some practice. Yes, my friends, you have to practice it. Practice makes a man perfect. After practicing lot of time, you will be able to cut every line very smoothly. Let's see my cutting, how I am cutting here. And have completed my cutting. After cutting, this face is very beautiful and you can saw it. You can do any face by drawing, and you can give to your friends, your relatives. Please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon, and please share my channel to your friends. Please try it and let me know. See you at the next video. Thank you.